everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Braids and we are about to do a braiding hair tutorial with my natural hair. As you can see, I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair and I'm taking random sectioning of my hair. I'm not doing squares or triangles. I'm just taking random sections of my hair. This is the size of the braiding hair that I will be using, and make sure the hair is really detangled or else it's gonna tangle along the way while you're braiding and it's not good. So you're going to wrap the braiding hair around your natural hair, and then you're going to put it between your finger and then hold it with your natural hair. Take a little section from one of the synthetic hair and then you're going to add it to your natural hair, and then you're going to braid. All right, if you don't have a good grip, what you may need to do is to braid the hair a little bit, like an inch or so first before you start taking sections, because you may end up like having the braids to be a little bit too loose. So yeah, so once you've braided a little bit, you can then take another small section from the other synthetic hair, add it to your natural hair, and then you can continue to braid. All right, so when you're braiding along the way and one of the hair seems a bit too small compared to the rest, you can take a little bit of hair from the synthetic hair that looks and feels like the biggest or so, and then add it to the smaller one and then continue to braid. All right, so this is what the bottom will look like. One side will look like you're braiding straight from the root of your hair. Can you see that? And then the other side will have like a little bump. So anyway, this technique is for you if you have slightly longer hair like I do, and also your grip is not that great. You can actually braid with your natural hair first. All right, so your natural hair will be like the third one, and then you keep braiding. Can you see? Because the hair is quite big and I have very tiny hands, I keep getting the hair wanting to start mixing. So just make sure everything is separated until you're ready to take sections, all right? Or else it will be so detangled up and you just get tired. So once you braid it like an inch or so, you take a little bit of hair from one of the synthetic hair, add it to your natural hair, and then you braid a little bit. Braid a little bit, and then you're going to go ahead and take another little section from the other synthetic hair, and then you're going to continue to braid. All right, so there you have it. I do have other techniques that I've shown you guys on my channel. This is for all you people that have not seen any of my braiding hair before. These are large braids, so if you do not confuse your ends by taking little sections and adding it to the other sections, and literally just confuse the ends very well so that they don't unravel, because if you don't do that and also braid all the way to the end, or else it will start to unravel and then you're gonna have to keep going over the hairs again, trying to keep braiding them back up. All right, so confuse it, and then yeah, I do have other braiding hair tutorials on my channel that you guys might find useful, and I will be linking them up down below in the comment section area, and also I will link them at some of them at the end of this video as well. All right, so the reason why my hair looks very full is because of the way I just took random sections. It's not in squares or anything, so I literally just feel which part look like, you know, I can easily take a section, and then that's what I do. All right, and it's so much easier, especially if you're braiding your own hair. Trying to get a straight lines like straight squares or triangle is a lot it takes a lot more time. So if you're trying to do a quick braiding that like I'm doing right now, then yeah, just take random sections and it looks good as well. And what that does as well is that it helps to make your braids look really full, even though it's just a few braids. So it took me less than 3 hours to get the whole hair done, and I did dip my ends in water to seal it up, and this is what it looks like. This is the hair that I used. Is the expression hair. I always use this hair for braiding hair, right? So that's what it looks like. And I bought 5 packs of color 1. This is made with color 1. There's so many different colors that you can pick from, and that's what the hair look like. It's pretty long, so I cut 2 of them into halves like this. So it gave me like 4 packs of it, right? And then the other 3, I did this. I kind of like went like this, and then I cut a third off. So I did that, and then I cut a third off. and then I use the longer part at the top. So the shorter part, which is half, I use the at the bottom all the way around like this, and then at the top, the crown of my hair, I use the longer one. Okay, so yeah, that's I like to do that because it kind of it makes my ends not to look too thin, and as you can see, it looks pretty much all the same length. You don't have to do that, of course. You can just use one single hair length for the whole hair. It doesn't really matter. So there you go. So there we have it. Yay! This hair took me like 3 hours, and I was filming, so I was having to kind of check my camera, change battery, and things like that. So it might take you less, and I have about 41 hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.